Amazon Basics Apple Certified Lightning to USB cable. Apple MFI, made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Certification ensures complete charge and sync compatibility with your Apple device. Connect the Lightning adapter to your Apple device and connect the USB side into a wall adapter or USB hub to charge or your computer to sync data. Ensures complete charge and sync compatibility with iPhone 6s Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6, 5s, 5c, 5, iPad Pro, iPad Air 1 and 2, iPad Mini 1, 2 and 4, iPad 4th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill Plus. Small head works with most cases, measuring 0.33 inches in diameter and 0.19 inches in height. The Nano Lightning adapter is small enough to fit most cases but strong enough to withstand repeated unplugging and storage. We test the cable to 4000 bends. Copper wire. High-quality copper wire maximizes signal quality and increases durability. Insulation. High-resistance insulation protects each set of wires. Shielding. Wire, aluminum foil, and mylar shielding reduces interference and provides additional layers of protection to prevent wear. Outer jacket. Outer jacket made of solid PVC helps to protect the cables from damage and fraying. Connects to your iPhone, iPad or iPod with Lightning connector and charges or syncs by connecting the USB connector into your wall charger or computer. Compact Lightning connector head works with nearly all cases. Amazon Basics Apple Certified Lightning to USB cable, and the overall quality is good. A limited warranty. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.